Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Vijay, and in today's video I am going to show you how we can create an agent using Microsoft 365 Copilot. I'll show you in the system itself, but let me just tell you what exactly this agent will do. You know, we run two websites, right? SPGuides.com and enjoysharepoint.com, right? Let's say I'm writing a blog post, right? Suppose I want to write about, let's say, how to get files or how to create an agent using Copilot, right? Let's say. Now, if I want to write an article on this, I need to check whether there is already an article exist in both the sites, right? So I'll put a text and then it will show me whether there is an existing article or not. So this agent, what it will do is, if I'll put that title, not exactly that's as it is, I need to put the title, but if I'll put a title, some text, then it will search in both the sites and it will tell me whether there is an article exist or not. Maybe it will get the URL so that I can validate whether that is the correct URL, right? So those things it will do, right? So quite interesting. So I'll show you details, right? How we can create the Copilot agent, and then how we can share with other users or other users can use it, right? So I'll show you everything on that. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel so that any video I'll make, you will get a notification on that. And also in the comment you can let me know if you are interested to learn something that I can make a video about, right? So now let me take you to the system and we'll start with our agent creation. All right, so you can see it here. I have opened the M365 Copilot. You can see here m365.cloud.microsoft/chat. So once you log in with this, you can see here I have logged in with my enterprise account. So you can see on Microsoft, right? So now here what we can do is you can click on new agent, right? From here you can see click on new agent, and then it will ask you to provide a name for it, right? So you can give the agent. So I will say website agent, right? And I'll give a description about it, right? The agent, or I'll say the website agent will find articles by title, right? So you can see here, this is the title I gave, and then this is the instruction, right? What this will exactly will do, right? So this is what is the main important thing. So I'll just show you what I have done here. So you are a content search assistant. Your job is to check whether a specific blog exists on this and return a clear detailed about it, right? And what I'm additional instruction I'm giving is it will search only these two websites because these are the websites which we are going to search on this. And then whether the post name exists or not, if it is found, then it will give you the URL and everything, right? And then you can see here, right? So which language it will return, all these things I have given. And we have said that you don't search any other specific website, only this you can see here, right? Do not search outside of the two specified this thing, right? Website. So what I'll do here is I'll copy here, I will just paste it. Now what I'll do here is we need to provide the knowledge source here, right? So in this case I will give the websites. So I will take from here, right? I will take this and one website, click on enter, so it will add it. And then I will add one more here, right? You can see. So I'll provide the URL, I'll click on enter, right? So what it is, there are two options you can see here, right? Search all website, we don't need it, so I'll not check this. The other one, only use specified sources, right? Whatever we provided, this website, so I have given it, right? And then the capabilities can create document, charts, so images. We don't have anything as such for this, right? We don't want any suggested prompts or anything, so we know about it. So now what we will do is our website agent is done now, right? So you can actually test it over here as well, right? So what you can do here is you can just copy the thing. So let's say I'll put this, I'll put this here. Let's see whether it is finding or not. If it is not found, then yeah, that means it is not able to process these things properly, right? So you can see it is saying that it did not found this article, right? So now let me give something from here. Let's see. From this website, we will see maybe it is just taking some time to process the things, right? So you can see here, right, how to search user in Power Apps, right? You can see here it found it, right? So and it is clearly saying that in here it is not there in in NJ SharePoint, right? So maybe that one to process the other knowledge sources might take some time, right? So that's the reason it's not giving. But anyway, this will give the result tested it, right? So now what I'll do here is I'll click on create. So once you create your agent here, now you can use it, right? Then I'll show you how we can share with other users also, right? You can see here it is saying go to your agent. So I came here, right? So same way I'll just put the same post here. Let's say this one, whether it is giving or not. Hopefully it will give it because it's already found this, right, on both the sides. So it gave the results, right? You can see here title, website, URL, what are the topics it covered, everything has been given here, right? But what now we can do is you can also access this in Teams, right? So how you can do it is if you'll go here, now go to Teams. So you can see here, right? I am logged in with my user ID and this is coming, right? So if you'll come here to Copilot, right? And on this you can see here, right? This is the Copilot, but which is the agent? In our case, it is the website agent. This one, right? So I will paste this. We will see whether it is giving or not. Remember, we are trying this in Microsoft Teams, right? So let's see. Yeah, so you can see here, right? It find the details, right? So this is working fine. Now, so what we can do here is I can share with other users, right? For example, let's say this is our agent, right? So if we click over here, you can see the options, right? Edit, uninstall, you can do, right? So let's say I'll share this and I will share with specific user and I'll search for Matty user in this case, right? So I'll say apply, right? So now look at the agent name, right? It is website agent. I have already shared with them with Patty. And what I'll do now is I'll open this one here. See it here, right? I have logged in with user Patty. You can see here, right? So what you can do here is we'll open Microsoft Teams, right? So that we can use that agent. But before showing you that step, let me just open our training courses, right? If you want to learn about SharePoint, Power Platform, and SPFX, now we have we have re-recorded everything like SharePoint development, Power Platform, and SPFX. Power Platform is still going on, but we have already released for it because we have the enough content for that. And also, if you'll enroll for the complete bundle, then you will get this 100 plus SPFX solutions and also small tools on Power Platform, right? You can get everything, so you can check it out. I'll put the link in the video description. So if you are serious about learning this, then you should have a look at it, right? So now I'll go to this user. Now you can see here, I'll click on Copilot and then I'll just click over here and then you see here all agents, right? So in the all agents, if you will come here, right, you can see here website agent, that is what we shared now, right? So click on it and once you click on it, it will say you to add it. So once you add, then you will be able to use it, right? So you can see here I have added it. Now look at this website agent, right? So in this you can search for it. Let's say we will search for the specific topic which it was giving. So we will see whether it is coming for that user or not, right? So let's say I put it. Uh, let's see whether it is coming or not. Yeah, you can see here, right? It provide the details, right? How to website, and don't expect like it will give the exactly the and it is the result. But yeah, if it is fine, if it found found this tutorial, then you can see here it gave you this, right? So I hope you understand how we can create an agent and how we can work with. We will see some more examples, and if you like the video, kindly subscribe to the channel so that you will get new video updates whenever I'll make it. I usually make videos on SharePoint, Power Platform, and SPFX. Thank you and have a nice day.